The Service Rules Committee decided that the proposal received from Department for framing of new service rules or amendment in the existing rules first up, if deferred for want of relevant information required the committee or absence of the representation of administrative department concerned from the meeting without prior intimation shall be removed from the agenda of the committee till receipt of a further reference from the administrative department concerned first up. Draft notification in triplicate based on the recommendations of the committee should be forwarded to regulations wing of SNGAD within a week of the receipt of minute of the service rules committee so that the rules can be notified without necessary delay. First up, the existing service rules which were notified prior to be coming into force of Punjab Civil Servants Act 1974 should be brought in conformity with the requirements of the said act in a consolidated form on the prescribed schedule, including therein all the existing as well as new posts in all grades falling in a functional first up. I am direct to refer to this department's circular number dated 28 November 1993 on the subject and enclose a copy thereof. First up, it has been observed that administrative department notice for the departmental promotion committee meeting is without working paper and supporting documents. First up, in most of the cases where working papers are attacked, the notice for such meetings is very short, that is few hours to one day. First up, it becomes very difficult for the regulation wing of SNGAD to properly study the proposals and depute an office to attend the meetings. First up, therefore, the enclosed instructions are brought to you. Notice for compliance. First up, in case said instructions are not allowed in further, the regulation wing of SNGAD would be justified to express its inability to attend such DPC meetings. First up, I am directed to say that it has been observed the concern that in most of the cases examination of cases carried out and recommendations made by the departmental promotion committees have been found lacking in assessment and appraisal. First up, in one of the meeting of the DPC